Hey, and my name is Hunter Seals, and today we're going to talk about big data in the UK. First of all, what is big data? Big data can be explained as large, complex data sets that are not easily managed with traditional processing tools. And you can categorize what data is referred to as big data by using the five V's, and that's volume, velocity, variety, um, veracity, and value. Who is using big data? So I did two current and two future job opportunities that use big data. And current would be a data scientist. They analyze data sets to help drive business decisions, help them make better organizational decisions. A big data engineer is responsible for building, organizing, and maintaining tools and the software needed to analyze the data for, say, like a data analyst or data scientist. In the future, we could see a health data scientist, for personalized medicine, early detection, chronic disease management as technology continues to advance. AI and machine learning specialists, those will only continue to grow more and more just to ensure business transition to AI technology for enhancement and for the benefit of the company. So now, where in the UK are they using big data? I decided to go with two different industries that I found. In the finance industry, they use it for um, they use the technology for analysis purposes and gaining market insights. For the healthcare industry, to speed up clinical decision making, a group that I will talk about on the next slide more. Um, Relix Group has launched Clinical Key AI to do that very thing, which is speed up the clinical decision making with the use of big data technology. So now let's perform a SWOT analysis for the Relix Group. For strengths, they have an advanced digital capabilities. Um, I found where that company drives 93% of total revenue is from digital products services with recurring subscription revenue of $6.7 billion. I converted the euros into US dollars. And they have a diverse data portfolio, huge amounts of data to fall back on in industries. They have just like a big old playbook that they can refer back to. Weaknesses is can be just the strengths opposite. High dependency on digital platforms. Any disruption could be very, very critical for business. Constant management of tools is very time consuming and very expensive when you're dealing with digital technologies. Opportunities they have is there's a really high investment in AI right now in companies, as we've been learning about. There's also a growing demand for data analytics. Every company has some sort of data analyses processes that they go through. And threats, I put data privacy and security concerns and increased competitions, which is similar to what we've been learning pretty much all semester. What are the barriers to big data and the mass adoption of it? Um, there's really three really big barriers to it. Data related barriers. Organizations face challenges in protecting sensitive data and complying with the complex regulations that the government has set in place because of the onslaught of big data technology. Technical barrier, just the lack of infrastructure that companies, don't yet have the necessary equipment to run certain types of technology. And organizational, there's a skill shortage. A lot of people are just uneducated on how to run these technologies, and that's why some organizations don't have them. So, how can big data help the UK? I picked SDG 4, which is improving education for all, um, as something I would like to highlight for this. So, large amounts of educational data can be analyzed to provide real-time automated progress tracking for students. It will produce instant feedback, personalized recommendations for each student, because we all know that students are unique in how they learn. Big data can certainly close the gap in education for everyone, um, not just in the UK, but around the world. If schools, governments would employ these new technologies, then we can gain better insight for each student and their unique needs for learning. So now we go to two truths and one lie. Comment below which one you think is the lie. Number one, UK government announced an AI opportunities action plan. Number two, UK is investing $14.7 billion in data center projects. Number three, UK government has implemented its national data strategy, resulting in a 50% increase in data driven innovation. And here's my citations. Thank you for watching.